If you're new to formatting a paperback or ebook and you're using Microsoft Word, you may have heard that you need to use styles. But what are styles and just how do you use them? Styles are a way to ensure that your formatting is consistent. So, for example, that all your titles are the same spacing down the page, same font size, and same alignment, or that all your paragraph indents are the same size. Ensuring this consistency manually would take a lot of work, and you could never be totally sure that you'd got everything the same, without spending many hours checking. Styles are a way to save all those formatting elements for one type of text, such as your title, into a single named style. What happens if you don't use styles? That will depend on exactly how you create the elements in your manuscript, but such things as table of contents and general page formatting can go very wrong, or not even be possible, if you don't use styles, especially when uploading an ebook. How do I create a style? First, open up the Styles function using Ctrl, Shift and S. This may look slightly different depending on which version of Microsoft Word you're using. Then click on the New Style icon. You'll be faced with a screen where you can change font details and give the style a name. You also have the option to force the style for the next paragraph, which is useful when creating your first paragraph style, which will be left aligned, and after which you want an indented paragraph. Then in the bottom left, you have a menu which gives you all the other formatting options, such as paragraph settings. Once you're done, click OK. To use the style in the text, press Ctrl, Shift, S again, and either start to type the name of the style, and when it comes up, press Return, or choose the style from the list. Paperback Styles. Paperback templates often have some styles preset for you to use. You'll notice in this KDP template that there are styles. You can use these as is, or you can edit them, or you can simply use the trim size template and create your own styles to use within it. You might, for example, want to modify the font. To do this, make sure you're in the style and open up Styles with Ctrl, Shift, S. This time click on Modify, and you'll get all the options to change all the things that you want. Once you're done, click OK. EBook Styles. If you're creating everything directly from Microsoft Word, you should have a different version of your manuscript for the ebook. This is because not all of the formatting options you'll use in a paperback are available in an ebook, and they're created differently. It's a long time since I've created an ebook this way, so I'll link the relevant Amazon page below, but they advise you to use the Microsoft Word preset heading title styles for your ebook, so that their processing systems know how to define your book. They also say to center the title after applying the style. I'd say modify the style so you don't have to do that. They also suggest specific indent levels for your text. There are other requirements for both ebooks and paperbacks besides using styles, so be sure to check out the instructions for the retailer or distributor you're uploading to.